You study for hours. Everything clicks. But the next day, gone. Like it never happened. Why does your brain keep forgetting what you just learned? The reason's simpler than you think, and once you fix it, studying becomes way easier. First off, your brain isn't a USB drive, it's a muscle. And just like muscles, it needs repetition, rest, and smart effort to grow. When you cram at 2 a.m. with a Red Bull and 10 tabs open, your brain isn't learning, it's panicking. Cramming doesn't work. Sure, you might remember things for a quiz tomorrow, but next week, that knowledge is history. Instead, use spaced repetition. Break your study into short sessions over a few days. Think 5 30-minute blocks instead of one 5-hour grind. It sticks better, every single time. Second reason you forget, sleep, or lack of it. While you sleep, your brain organizes what you learned. No sleep equals nothing gets stored. It's like closing your laptop without saving. Now let's talk multitasking. Studying while texting, scrolling TikTok, or watching ESPN. Yeah, that doesn't work either. Each switch burns focus and kills retention. Try this instead, the 25-5 rule. Study for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. It's called the Pomodoro Technique, and it works wonders for focus. Also, don't just read. Use active recall. Test yourself, quiz yourself, teach someone else. If you can explain it out loud, you actually know it. And make it real. Link what you're learning to stuff you already know. Memorizing dates? Connect them to real events, people, or stories. Your brain remembers what it understands, not what it memorizes. To actually remember what you study, gitch the cramming. Sporting 7 to 9 hours. Accountoids to spaced repetition. Quiz yourself. Wait, connect new info to real life. Studying smarter isn't just about passing exams, it's about learning for life. And now you know exactly how to do it.